I want those, I don't have that, but with the power of these, I will make this fine piece of art. I am Nool JG. Let's get to it. Ingredients: helmet, face device, tripod and tiny headpiece, toilet paper, metal thingy, tape, Velcro, metal thingy too, sword, as a strive. All that is part of a balanced diet. We're gonna start by putting this thing in. What's going on here? Putting this thing in. Get in there. I give up. I'm back. That's right. It goes into the square hole. First try. I lost 6 IQ points just by doing that. Time to connect the headpiece with the Magipod and check that everything is working fine. Next step is easy. I'm going to use the sword to open the package. You can use a little knife if you wish. Just like a peasant. The tripod is not that sturdy and the helmet is slippery. I had to make sure that everything is in the right place, and then I have to use some tape in order to seal the deal and make sure that everything is nice and hard. I don't remember recording that. I will add toilet paper in order to introduce some volume and reduce slippage. This is crucial. I have to make sure that the camera is in the right position, otherwise it won't work. And add more tape. Tape is your friend. Time to work those fingers. This piece of metal is sturdy and flexible enough in order to allow for tilt correction without sacrificing position. It will also save the phone from falling, because it will fall and it will be your fault due to all the frenetic shaking and shit. With that done, I wanted to add some stability, so I could add some cardboard, wrap it up in tape, and use Velcro in order to secure it in place. Now that that is also done, we can tape up this baby and take it for a ride. Future rule here. The helmet worked for a minute, but everything failed because you forgot to apply subscribe or something. Also, tripod fell off. Time for round 2. Here we are again with the face cap 69,000 and a whole new design with Velcro built directly into the car. Modified metal thingies secure the phone on a lower angle, allowing it not to fall to its demise. A whole new integrated piece of something, bringing the architecture to a perfect balance. A modified insecure. Jesus Christ. Alright, tracker goes into the center, allowing it to tilt properly, and I added a couple of the biggest bolts I could find in order to balance the entire thing. Then I use tape. Also tape, you get the idea. The helmet. I flip the head strap backwards so that the camera can see the movement of my eyebrows much better, and just like that, I can finally become a cool kid! The final part was very difficult because I only have 2 hands at the moment and the entire thing is very slippery. Next time I'll make sure to also use my feet. It was a true struggle indeed. And with that done, I just added sugar, spice and everything nice, and my electric pajamas are ready to rock. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Don't forget to watch this video 10 times in all of your devices. Tell your friends, families and enemies. Your cooperation is appreciated.